हमें कोई थैंक यू नहीं बोलता।
Karan very bad.
For a good cause.
For a good cause. Yes. Who do I address it to?
Well, you know, people are jealous of where you are, but now not how you got there.
देखो जी, इतनी सीरियसली काम चल रहा है और देखो चल क्या रहा है, क्रिसमस ट्री ऑर्डर हो रहा है।
नहीं ये वाला नहीं।
बजट एक्सीड मत करना।
नीचे देख।
क्या बजट है हमारा?
क्या बजट है जैस्मिन?
3500
क्या?
3500
For the
3500
tree.
मतलब
3500
क्या तुझे
30 तक आती है, 30 तक उसकी आगे नहीं आती।
तो हिंदी मीडियम में नहीं थी? केंद्र विद्यालय।
इंग्लिश ऑनर्स की इंग्लिश नहीं आती, हिंदी मीडियम हिंदी नहीं आती,
हिंदी नहीं आती, इंग्लिश ऑनर्स ओनली, इंग्लिश ओनली।
और तुझे सुबह वर्ड नहीं आते थे।
तो यार मेरे को डिक्शनरी थोड़ी ना बैठ के मुझे रटाई उन्होंने 3 साल।
3500 का ये, बाकी डेकोर, जनरल ट्री डेकोर एंड घर का डेकोर। शहीदी त्याड़ा भी आ रहे हैं।
आगे क्या था? चल सुना, आगे क्या था?
क्या?
आगे क्या था? जस्सू का जन्म हो या आई पागा वाली रात।
कर कर खुशियां दी हुई बरसात।
Okay, we don't mean any offense, but it's just a very killer song. So, this is dinner. क्या क्या है जरा explain करना? This is
Avocado dip, chicken, bell peppers,
paneer.
paneer,
बीन्स
kidney beans,
किडनी बीन्स
Yeah.
salsa,
पिकाडियो
Yo, she makes in the house,
and
baby.
some raika saag
Raika saag.
made by Manish Shah.
Morning. Hi, Jan.
Let's relax more today. Even the decathlon rack is coming. Remember the one I'd ordered, the fitness rack. It's getting delivered today. Let's see assembly kitna karni hai. But let's get ready right now. Now this brown bag has been on my bloody desk in my room for a month now. I just put it up there. So you can tell I love shades of brown and beige and green. And that's my travel. Basically that's my tech thingy. And that is my general cabin luggage. And it fits very well utte. And the bigger suitcases come upar. So that way it's damn comfy. क्या कर रहे हो? ये आपने बनाया है? हाँ?
कहो तो मैं इसको पीस कर देता हूँ।
Very nice baby. मॉल चलना है अभी?
नहीं,
क्यों?
जिम जाना है।
मतलब जिम के अलावा जिम तो मैंने भी जाना है।
तो मैंने काम करना है आज। मंडे नहीं कर सकती ना कुछ भी, मंडे से बिजी रहती हूँ।
Deadline है उसकी भाई.
And well done to both of you and especially Vani
Well
for
done to
this.
Vani.
Yeah.
Well, this is like phenomenal.
I told her to be audacious in life, to ask more of the universe.
100%.
Good productive work call then. तो ऐसे लग रहा है सो ही नहीं है 2 दिन से।
नहीं सोई।
हाँ। आजा लैपटॉप लिया, ईमेल ड्राफ्ट कर देते 2.0 का। हाँ जी, आप कहाँ कंसंट्रेट कर रहे हो?
हमें कोई थैंक यू नहीं बोलता।
Karan very bad.
Okay, I've taken my checkbook. Now going to school to pick up that painting that I bought the other day. चलना है मैडम? चलना है?
कहाँ जा रहे हो?
स्कूल पेंटिंग लेने।
स्कूल?
हाँ।
हाँ, लेके आओ जाओ।
चलना है? चल। Oi, oi, Christmas vibes, okay. Nice touch, yeah. Love this. Okay, very Christmassy. Good. ਇੱਥੇ ਵੀ ਹੈ Christmas vibes. Nice. चलो जी, निकल चुके हैं to go grab that painting and to hand over a check for a good cause. ठीक है जी, खर्चा था कर लिया ऐसे, but it's for a good cause. All the funds will go to the scholarship fund of the school, so kids who study on scholarship, it'll be for them. So yeah, not bad, pretty good. And of course this will be a donation, so tax deduction will be claimed for sure.
कहाँ जाएंगे आप?
अरे वो अभी अर्जुन जी ने बोला होगा।
हाँ, आपका नाम मिस्टर गुलाटी?
हाँ हाँ
There are two of them. One's for the highest point in games and one highest point in scholars.
That's the games one.
No, the games one's this one. This one is batch of 1990.
Oh, nice.
This is, I think, this is going to be presented to the person who gets both.
Crazy. That's beautiful. Presented to?
Roshan Seth.
Right, for?
For his contribution to cinema.
Oh. For the Canadian thingy.
Yeah.
Hmm.
And then they obviously opened it, and that's his name there.
What are the awards called?
The Genie Awards.
Oh, these are the masters.
First Masters.
I've never seen this photo ever. Yeah. What an iconic school, man. Do with the school.
He was the earlier DSOB's president during COVID. He carries all his artwork in the back of his van, and he decides to sell it if he likes the person or he likes the rate.
Damn it.
For a good cause.
For a good cause. Yes. Who do I address it to?
Indian Public Schools Society.
Sounds like a plan. आ जाएगी शायद.
Let's see. Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Impressive, huh? Impressive. मैं रुकना है यहाँ पर. तो बच्चे नहीं है पर. Wild. हाँ, ये तो पहले. ये swimming pool है. We're gonna go check out the gym. Oi hoy, Sira. यार ये तो proper gym बना दिया इन्होंने. Not bad. Fancy gym. Not bad, not bad.
Push up. Pull up.
Good stuff. Thank you so much, Ji. God bless you. Namaste. Chalo, Ji. Let us go. That was the little trip. Got the painting, gave the donation. But changa lag gaya yaar. School, this is a good place. All thanks to my father, man, who taught me here. In such a time where we couldn't really have dreamt of this institution. So kudos to my father, man. This is unreal. For Jasmine to go to Welham and for me to go to Doon, and God has been kind after that as well, but tremendously happy we came here, and this is all God's will.
Jealous of where you are, but no one is jealous of how you got here.
So how did I get here?
Like you're saying, Doon School, uncle, that day he was telling the story. He kaise end moment, but it was all God's will, divine timing.
See, this is why we believe in manifestation. This is manifestation, nothing else.
So where people are jealous of where you are, but now not how you got there.
चलो यहाँ पर लगाना है 1 मिनट दीवार पे. जैस्मिन देख ये ऐसी लगेगी.
Nice. I
है ना?
think you could keep it for your next place, that place.
अरे we got a very interesting book. खोलियो पानी. This is the certificate of authenticity. The authentic painting है, आपने नकली नहीं लिया. We also got this book about buildings of school. This looks like a very cool thing, huh? है ना? It explains history behind buildings of school, architecture style.
I think this should be that, no?
Of the Forest Research main building of the Forest Research Institute.
Chandbagh.
Stunning. So guys, if you didn't know, Vani's father is an officer in Forest Research Institute and she lives there.
I think we've mentioned it.
That's why she doesn't have respect for greenery anymore.
I do.
I wonder how Doon School got entire Chandbagh from Forest Research Institute.
मुझे भी जानना
है ना?
I also want to acquire something.
How did they buy?
ये वो प्रोसीजर क्या है बिल्डिंग लेने का?
मैंने तो बहुत बार पूछा तो कहते हैं गवर्नमेंट प्रॉपर्टी.
जॉकी स्मॉल.
I don't think anybody else would buy jockeys.
बहुत पुराना होगा, मेरा ही होगा.
Definitely not.
तो वो जॉकी भी हॉट लग रहा है जो बॉडी सोनी होवे, है ना जादू? हाँ अब
जादू ब्लू कलर का होता है उसका, मेरा नहीं है, उसका येलो कलर का होता है.
ठीक है जी. So that was the day. Palak and Vani are hopefully making moves. Hopefully they'll make moves and painting आ गई है करे. ਹੁਣ ਆਪਾਂ ਚੱਲੇ ਹਾਂ gym. Coffee and pinny is being had. Lot of work needs to get done. I need to buy oil heaters for the house. Got to buy Jasmine shoes. Christmas ਦੀ ਡੈਕੋਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਨੀ ਹੈ ਵਾਨੀ ਨੇ. ਸ਼ਹੀਦੀ ਦਿਹਾੜੇ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਯਾਦ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਆਪਣੀ ਹਿਸਟਰੀ ਕਲਚਰ ਨੂੰ. So yeah, basically a lot needs to get done and hope you're enjoying the vlogs. अब जिम जाऊंगा नॉर्मल, वो तो आपने वर्कआउट सबने देखा ही है. तो if I skip that part, I don't think you'll miss it. But this was a tour of the Doon School today.
Would they miss it or wouldn't they?
हाँ बता दो. Do you want me to incorporate my workouts in the video?
And what do they want? और क्या चाहिए?
और क्या चाहिए तुम्हें? देखा वानी पूरे पीछे से कमेंट्री कर रही है कि और चाहिए क्या लोगों को.
बताओ, we want to know.
We want to know, yeah. So yeah, see, the secret to growth on YouTube is to give your audience what it wants, as long as your authenticity is not stripped away. So I'm being authentic. This is me. So yeah, thank you for joining. This was my day in Dehradun, Monday. Working day है पर साढ़े लिए working नहीं आज. We are relaxing. वानी भी chill कर रही है. Recording भेजेगी Trading 1.0 की सबको. मैडम आज भेज दियो. People will eat me alive. 2.0 का वो भेजना है ना लिंक साथ में.
पेंटिंग
हाँ ले आए जी.
कहाँ पर है?
अभी तो रैप्ड अप है. वानी को पूरा टूर दे दिया स्कूल का. साइज ठीक है ना यहाँ के लिए?
बहुत बढ़िया.
अब ये देखो डोनेशन भी हो गई, एक बच्चे की लाइफ भी अच्छी हो गई, स्कूल को भी कंट्रीब्यूशन हो गई, टैक्स बेनिफिट भी मिल गया, पेंटिंग भी मिल गई, कितना कुछ हो गया एक ही दिन. चलो, थैंक यू एवरीवन एंड आई विल सी यू लेटर. एलिगेटर, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल.